Texas shit, golly. What? SC400 wheels on the LS?
Did you just record me coughing like that?
I don't know. You need to stop being a chain smoker. Oh, wait.
I
That
don't
looks
like
good.
that Alexa because Alexa gets hot.
Not Alexa.
You don't like that Alexa because what? Tell me.
It's because it has a nose like this.
Really? Because I like that nose, that narrow
Like-
looking nose.
Oh, like the nose on Elemental?
Yeah.
So do you like that nose or the bubble eye nose on my Lexus?
The bubble eye.
Oh yeah, you gotta do it the bubble eye like Pimp C said.
Bubble
Huh?
eyes, bubble eyes. What, for 15, 20 bucks?
Or 30-100.
Oh my god, stop. There's a freaking family crossing. Baby.
Damn shopping cart in my way. Alright, plugs back in here. Now just get the coils back on there and we'll see what it do. So far so good though. Back at it. What do we got going on right now? Spark plugs is all out. The valley look dirty as shit. Oil in there. I mean, eventually we're gonna have to redo these valve covers, but for now I figure we can clean that shit up, make sure there's no oil on the plugs, try it again, and hopefully I'm not getting a major misfire. A baby misfire is okay with these, but we'll see what it do. Nice little simple fix. Yeah. Yeah. Not the old school. I said not the old school. Yeah.
What's up, dude?
Alright.
You think you just plug it in and it just go?
Damn.
This is what it looks like.
Oh, okay, and it's got the harness and shit on there?
Yeah.
Because that's the antenna, and then the other one should just plug into that.
Right, which I got both right here.
Yeah, and the shit just doesn't work when you plug it in?
Uh-uh.
Okay. Let's plug it in, and then let's figure out where your radio fuse is, and we'll start there.